Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Well, let's play it this way. Analyze this. Do you guys want an underdog effect na parang eto ngayon, the Punisher? Is that what it is? Na the Punisher, si President Digong is punishing somebody and all of a sudden ito nakatikim lang ng saltik. Pagkatapos all of a sudden, umayaw na. Wait a minute. Senate. Hey, kayo dyan sa Senado, hindi ko kayo tinuturuan. Hinalal din kayo. Mayroon kayong responsibilidad, opposition or anybody else out there. Come on. Stand up for Laila de Lima. What about you? Kung sino man dyan, stand up. Or whoever's, I can't pinpoint who amongst you out there. But importante dito, you really need to ilabas, to present yung mga sinasabi niyong testigo kung meron man. At yung mga bagay na kung sino mga ekspertong dadalhin niyo para masabi yung tama. Kung meron kayong papakita, para na sa ganun, yung tao, balanse, hindi yung parang, people can take a stand, people can discern, people can be critically discerning sa mga nangyayari. Kasi ito ho, if you have somebody here who's the letter, the intensification and the drive against the war on drugs continues. Uulitin ko ho, sa mga lansangan, sa mga dark alley dyan, sa mga God-forsaken place na sasabihin na ho natin na hindi ho kayang pasukin, pinapasok na, nalalaban din yung iba. I can understand kasi sa mga areas na kung saan may nagsasabing, oy, summer execution yan, oy, medyo sumusobra yung mga pulis dyan, oy, meron, things that we have to be very, very discerning.